Hi guys, welcome to my SOLIDWORks Essential Training. So in my SOLIDWORks course, you will get up to speed on creating complex part assemblies and drawings. We will cover all the tools and techniques so you can focus more on your design, not on the software. We will start with the basic sketch tools and create two-dimensional sketches that will become the foundation for our 3D objects. Next, we will look at the modeling 3D features by extruding or evolving sketches into 3D parts, followed by creating more complex objects using the sweep, loft, and surface tools. Parts will be modified using a set of tools that includes fillets, chamfers, ribs, draft, shells, and much more. And that's just the beginning. We will cover the best practice for putting parts together into assemblies and building robust structures. Finally, we will see how to create drawings to relate the final parts into assemblies to a manufacturer, complete with a bill of materials and drawing notes. This course is for anyone looking to get into the world of 3D design and will benefit new users as well as those transitioning from other software packages. So, are you ready to upgrade your skill and learn one of the most powerful 3D CAD design software in the industry? Join me in this course and see you with the next videos.